everyone, it's me, Fashion Tamer, the Tamer, bringing you guys another wonderful wig review. And this wig review is being sponsored by none other than Ms.ILSA. You already know how we do. Me and Ms.ILSA, we have tamed up to bring you guys another curly girl review. And honey, y'all are in for a treat because this is not a lace wig. This is actually one of those infamous headband human hair wigs. And I'm not gonna lie to you, I was a little skeptical on it, but I think I actually like this unit. Let's get into it. This is how the box comes. It comes with Ms.ILSA on there. It says to be top brand in beauty, which they definitely are coming. They are slanging and they are gunning for these people out here. This particular unit, I didn't receive extras at all. The unit length that I have is a 14-inch. Not usually my typical inch that I would get for a human hair unit, especially curly, but I went on and made it work. You know, beggars can't be choosy. So I went on and made it work. So let me go on and give you guys the details of this unit. Let's get us focused. There we go. Okay. So the one thing I love about this unit is the fact that I can wear it with a headband. So this is a headband that I chose to put on. So I will take this unit off and I'm going to show you guys how I put it on. There are 3 combs in the front, a comb in the back. So that's my wig cap. You know, we all braided up and everything. So this is literally how it looks. You got 1, 2, 3 combs in the top, in the front. Technically 3 in the frontal area. So these 2 are on the side. This is at the top, and then you get 1 in the back. There are no adjustable straps because honestly, you really won't even need it because it has a whole stretchy little area. This is your headband if you choose to use it, but as you saw, I do like to double up on mine. So what you do is literally take it, adjust it to where you want it to be. Get your combs where you know that they should be. I have on braid. My hair is braided up underneath here. So honestly, I'm probably not going to really utilize the combs like that. I'm trying to, but guess I'm not. I'm not going to utilize the combs. And the best part is it has this band and this band, and this goes behind the ear as such, and you literally just stretch it, and it has that super hold velcro on there where it is not going anywhere, so you can keep it like that, but you will be able to see what's going on. So some people like to keep theirs like this. I mean, I think it's cute, but you know, it's showing all of that Ethiopian forehead right there. So I am going to take a actual headband that I got at my local beauty supply or my job. Take it, adjust it very, very well. Make sure everything's slicked back. And then we'll just take this and we are going to, bam, put that on, stick that behind the ear, adjust my little bun at the top, and bam, that's literally it. Like, how simple is this headband wig? And the best part is this is 100% human hair. So I can wash, condition. Well, we don't wash. We cleanse hair. We wash clothes. I can cleanse this unit, condition it, make sure it's good to go. The only negative that I have is the fact that it is not long enough. Y'all know we do not wear curly hair this short. But believe it or not, when I'm working out, this is my workout wig. So it's actually good to get some headband units, and you can wear them as a, you can also do you can wear them as your workout units, because there's a lot of women, they still want to be cute. They still want to be funky and fly and all that fun stuff while they're working out and, you know, trying to slim it down and still be cute. So, like I said, this is the unit that I wear when I'm walking outside, so I can still be, you know, cute. I wear my headband, I go about my day and live my best life. This is also a good unit if you know for a fact that, you know, you don't want to get a half wig, but you're also in between of wearing a real wig. So it's like, this is definitely a good transition piece to get you where you need to be at in the wig game. If you want more information about this unit, in the description box, everything that you need will be down below. So definitely make sure you head over to Amazon at Ms.ILSA, and make sure you cop this unit and leave them a review to let them know that your girl, the Tame One, has sent you guys and brought you greatness as always. So, if this video was informative and to you guys like it, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Also, hit that bell at the top to be notified when I, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, drops another video. And until we meet again, my Tame Raiders, bye!